Hey, this is Jeremy with Jeremy and Cars, and this is going to be a little bit different and a quick video, but I wanted to throw this together just as an instructional. So I've had these TPMS sensors, this fairly cheap Amazon kit on the cart, and actually a couple other vehicles. I've got it on my truck, but on the cart it's been on there for two and a half years. And the batteries in these are finally dead. So I'm going to go through how to replace these batteries. Even though the kit's only like 30 or 40 bucks, the set of 4 batteries off of Amazon I think was 7 or 8. So they're 1632 batteries. I've already taken one apart, but I'm going to show you how this works. So there's a lip here, and you're just going to kind of pry, and it pulls off this outer ring here. It's kind of got teeth to it, and you can flip it over upside down. You have to flip it over because when it's on, this little notch is down in this little recess area. So you can flip it over, line it with the teeth here, and use it to rotate counterclockwise, just like you're unscrewing. So that's what you're doing. Oh, this one's tight. Okay, there we go. Okay, unscrew it. Got a cap, and then this just slides out. You can put the new one in and reverse the order to put it back together. So there you go, real quick tutorial, but the batteries in these can be replaced. So you don't have to spend another 40 bucks on a kit. You can spend another 7 or 8 on some batteries. Thanks for watching.